Welcome to Luxury Car TV, your go-to destination for classic rides, premium reviews, and timeless automotive elegance from past to present. The 1975 Ford F100 V8 stands as a classic symbol of American pickup truck heritage. Built during a time when trucks were designed for rugged utility but still carried a distinct charm, this model has become a favorite among vintage vehicle enthusiasts. Its sturdy construction, unmistakable style, and powerful performance have kept it relevant decades after its release. Under the hood, the 1975 F100 offered a range of engine options, with the V8 being the most sought after. The most common V8 available was the 390 cubic inch, 6.4-liter engine, known for delivering a strong combination of torque and horsepower. With around 201 horsepower and up to 376 pound-feet of torque, it had enough muscle to handle both heavy loads and highway cruising. Depending on the exact configuration, it could also come with the 360 cubic inch V8, or the larger 460 for those needing extra power. These engines were mated to either a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or a 3-speed automatic transmission. Many owners favored the automatic for everyday ease, but manual lovers appreciated the control and classic driving feel of the stick shift. The F100's layout included a rear-wheel drive system by default, though four-wheel drive was available on certain trims, especially valuable for rural or off-road use. The suspension setup featured a twin I-beam front suspension on two-wheel drive models, a hallmark of Ford trucks from the era, offering a smoother ride than many competitors at the time. Leaf springs in the rear helped support the truck's strong payload capability, which ranged from 1,500 to over 2,000 pounds depending on the configuration. Aesthetically, the 1975 Ford F100 displayed a bold and functional design. Its body was boxy but proportional, featuring a wide grille, squared-off fenders, and clean lines. Chrome accents and large round headlamps gave it a touch of class, while optional trim packages like the Ranger or custom-added unique badges, upgraded materials, and extra details to the interior and exterior. Truck beds were available in two styles: the traditional style side with smooth outer panels, and the flare side with exposed wheel arches and a more classic look. Inside the cabin, simplicity was key. The dashboard was utilitarian but neatly laid out, with large, easy-to-read gauges and accessible controls. Standard features were basic by today's standards, but functional. Bench seats were typical, covered in vinyl or cloth, with optional upgrades for padding and materials. Air conditioning, AM/FM radios, and power steering were available as add-ons. While not luxurious, the cabin was spacious enough to accommodate 3 adults comfortably, making it ideal for work crews or family use alike. In terms of safety and durability, the 1975 F100 was built like a tank. Its steel frame and body construction gave it a heavy-duty presence on the road. Although safety features were minimal by modern standards, it did offer lap belts and a strong crash structure. Drivers appreciated the visibility from the high seating position and large windows, which made maneuvering this full-size truck more manageable. The 1975 model year also saw a few updates over earlier generations. These included subtle styling tweaks, minor changes in trim availability, and slight improvements in ride comfort. Fuel economy was not a strong point, especially with the larger V8s, but that wasn't the focus of trucks in the 70s. Performance, utility, and durability were the main selling points, and the F100 delivered in all areas. Classic truck collectors and restorers today value the 1975 Ford F100 V8 for its reliability, iconic design, and modifiability. Replacement parts remain relatively accessible, and the engine bay offers plenty of space for customization. Whether kept in original condition or turned into a resto-mod project, the F100 holds strong appeal. Its unmistakable engine growl, combined with the feel of old-school American engineering, creates a driving experience that modern trucks rarely replicate. Overall, the 1975 Ford F100 V8 represents a golden era of pickup truck design. It balances function with form, power with poise, and nostalgia with performance. Perfect for collectors, weekend cruisers, or anyone who appreciates vintage trucks that still get the job done. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more in-depth looks at iconic vehicles like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Luxury Car TV for more automotive history, classic reviews, and vintage inspiration.